Okay, so I got the revo out right now. I got done doing all those mods. I did the diff oil here in the front and the rear. I went with 60K. Factory is 30. I bumped up the spring rate. I put the tans from the back up front, and now I got black springs in the back. You can see here kind of how much preload I'm running here. It might be a little too much with the stiffer springs, so we'll have to try that. Still got those Power HD servos and just aluminum chassis brace. These shocks are the upgraded ones with the coated shafts. I got this Hot Racing chassis, body post mount here up in the front. And of course I got the Proline Badlands still, so I'm hoping that this kind of setup here is gonna improve things a little bit. So yeah, I'm gonna get out there and see how she handles now. Okay, here we go. Wow, it wants to just wheelie you now. Ooh. It's nice. Oh yeah. So I got the wheelie bar on there as well. I still got a bent wheel. That's what the pillow balls were for. So I'll have to see if that fixes it. I'll have to change that. That back left wheel is still a little crooked. Woo! Nice. Wow, it's so much better now. Oh. I'm not using the self-righting feature anymore either. That's how I pop my tire. Alright, so I'm back after that little session, and I have to say it is so much better. Like night and day difference with that diff oil in there. You can really control the truck, what it does now. It is definitely a huge improvement. The stiffer springs were great too. It just, now it's soaking everything up really good. And yeah, this truck is definitely so much better now that I really want to drive it. I just had like the most fun with that little bass session that I've had. It's so much more controllable. My wheelie bar did pop off. It kind of cracked right there, but I'll just zip tie it back on and it should stay going. But yeah, those mods are definitely recommended. They will definitely change the effect of your Revo 2.0 for you. So thanks for watching. Like the video, comment, and subscribe to the channel, please. Cool. Peace.